Hi all, this is Abhay from Prepwise. 2024-ൽ CUET PG, IIT JAM, TISNET മുതലായ PG എൻട്രൻസ് എക്സാം ടാർഗറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന ആളുകൾക്കായി Prepwise സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഫ്രീ ഓൺലൈൻ വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ്. കൂടുതൽ വിവരങ്ങൾക്കായി താഴെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഫോം ഫില്ല് ചെയ്ത് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യുക.
And the tone of the poem is definitely satiric. Satire. So it's option 2. Then father declared solvent, that father is financially stable, option 2. The poem talks about gender issues, right? കാരണം ഒരു ഫീമെയിലിന് പെണ്ണാണ് വരുന്ന സമയത്താണ് മാരേജ് പ്രപ്പോസലിന്റെ ടൈമിലാണ് you see all these cross examinations going on, right? It literally makes me angry at times. Now, what is the significance of the last line? Last line tells about a particular faith, right? A good son of Mother Church. So sorry, the correct answer is option C. It shows dissonance between institutionalized religion and garden issues. No, it's one itself. Sorry, I got confused. So first one is correct option. For a particular faith in a kanikinana, that the person whom she is to be married belongs to a particular faith. And I think then you have another comprehension. It's very simple. In the World Happiness Report, the happiness scores come from a survey of life satisfaction, considering your life as a whole and using the mental image of a ladder with the best possible life as a 10 and the worst as a 0 indicate on the ladder where you personally stand. This question gets people thinking about themselves and their resources, accomplishments, opportunities, and status. So World Happiness Report in the base life or ladder consider best 10 last zilch 0 ആയിട്ടും ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എവിടെ സ്റ്റാൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്ന് അനലൈസ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് question. Now coming to the sub question, the writer is of the opinion that the World Happiness Report is dash and completely dash significant virtues like gratitude, humility, humor, and empathy that are key to a happy life. Choose the correct option. The writer എന്താ വിചാരിക്കുന്നത് that the World Happiness Report is biased, definitely biased ആണ്, and it ignores ഏതൊക്കെ values ignore ചെയ്യുന്നത്, gratitude, humility, empathy, humor ഒക്കെ evade ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. പകരം എന്തൊക്കെയാ നോക്കുന്നത്, resource, accomplishment, opportunity, status, all the materialistic things. Internal ആയിട്ടുള്ള qualities ഒന്നും അത് consider ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഇനി next question, a country's ranking on the WHR ladder is based on dash. It's based on what? ഒരു countryയുടെ ranking എന്തൊക്കെയാ വരുന്നത്? Definitely the accomplishments of the country, life satisfaction levels of the people, then the monetary wellness of its own people, and the social status of its people. The World Happiness Report basically talks about the life satisfaction levels of the people. It's option 2. The third is again match the following: collectivist culture, shared ancient tradition, Indian perspective, and Scandinavian countries. So happiness is an experience of fun and excitement. Happiness is value based and relationship oriented. Being happy is a skill developed by being a good person. Happiness depends on the happiness of people around them. So Scandinavian countries, you know what Scandinavian countries are: Norway, Sweden, all those countries at the Arctic countries are known as Scandinavian. So our case is the first option, that is happiness is an experience of fun and excitement. So D is 1. Then Indian perspective is value based and relationship oriented. Happy. We feel happy when the people around us are happy, or let's say if there are some good values in our relationship. The correct answer is option C. Okay, 3 I mean. Now coming to B, shared ancient tradition, happy being happy is a skill developed by being a good person. So shared ancient tradition, happy means when you develop yourself to be a good person, you're happy then. Now the first one, collectivist cultures. So collectivist cultures, the approach to happiness is slightly different. So here the happiness is dependent on the happiness of people around them. So collectivist കൂട്ടത്തോടെ. So if the people around you are happy, then automatically you are bound to be happy. So A is 4. So correct is option 3. 2 more questions to go. According to the passage, on what basis do we measure happiness? Choose the correct answer. Cultural context, social context, political context, philosophical context. So on what measure do we measure happiness? We measure it only on the social context, right? It's option 2. On the passage പറയുന്ന പ്രകാരം social context ആണ്. കാരണം accomplishment, opportunity, status ഇതെല്ലാം social context ആണ്. And finally the last one, identify the correct statement. In India, happiness is restricted to the individual. No. Modern philosophy moved away from taming bad instincts of the incorrigible people. Happiness is shaped by our individual context. No. Satisfaction with life in an individual is an individually focused way of evaluating happiness. And last is, Machiavelli did not give importance to the skills of being a good citizen, but to profit maximization. This is truly confusing. I think it's 3, B and D. Modern philosophy moved away from taming bad instincts, and D part. Satisfaction with life is an individually focused way of evaluating happiness. So that's the correct answer. So we are coming to the close of the question paper analysis. So literature section is slightly tricky, but you will be able to attend. And comprehension section is very easy. So please score your marks there. So with that, we wind up. So thank you so much, all of you. Keep preparing, and I really hope and wish that you get into some central university, hopefully. So see you all in another session. Thank you so much.